Nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, I welcome you too. And to those of you that are running on through here, I hope you hit that like and subscribe buttons, and so you too could become a niece and nephew and be a part of this big happy family. Today we are going to be making pecan praline French toast. Okay, so Auntie is not going to talk too long. I'm going to do a flip and a swip. Oh, but first, thank you all for all your love and support to my channel. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, all your love and support. So we're gonna do a flip and a swip. We're gonna get started, and I'll show you everything you need so you can make this for your friends and family. And you can use it, make it as a brunch, because you can eat French toast for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, whenever you crave it. Okay, so give me a moment. I'm gonna do a flip and a swip, like I said, and we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna make the batter first. I'm going to be using 5 large eggs that I have already put into my good old handy bowl. And the bread that I will be using, I normally use a brioche, but I'm going to be using the Texas toast bread for this recipe. So I have 2, 4, 6, 7 slices. Okay, I'm going to be using natural butter pecan flavor. I'm going to be using some pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and we're going to be using a teaspoon of cinnamon. And what I'm going to go ahead and add my milk, not my milk, my heavy whipping cream. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Go ahead and add my teaspoon of cinnamon. Add my teaspoon of vanilla. Add my teaspoon of butter pecan extract. And we're going to give this a whisk and break up my egg. And we're going to whisk this all together. Should have just brought out my hand mixer, but that's okay. Get this all whisked up. And to me, when you're using heavy whipping cream in your French toast batter, it gives your French toast a custard-like coating. Make sure French toast gives a more richer texture, and opposed to the other way. I know they love it like this. And adding the vanilla extract to your French toast, I'm telling you, you amp it up. Because this, I'm doing the butter pecan, the pecan praline French toast. I added the butter pecan flavor, okay? Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to get my griddle and get it all hooked up. Okay? And I have a glove so I can dip the bread in here. I don't want to use my hand because I don't want to touch that. Okay, be right back. So I just turned this griddle on. I have it all the way. This is not hot. So this bowl is metal. So I'm going to show you guys. You see how creamy this is? Look at that. That's why I said, if you want to, that's just my suggestion. You'll see a big difference if you use heavy whipping cream in your French toast batter over milk. But if you don't drink milk, or you can't have milk, almond works milk, and I don't know if they sell whipping cream in an alternative. I'm quite sure you can use that. Okay, so I'm going to let my griddle heat up, and I'll be right back. me show you guys something. See, I messed up right here, and this is irritating me. And I know how I am about my appliances, and this is really bothering me. Every time I pull it out, it bothers me. And that's that OCD. That is bothering me. And I'm not gonna lie, now I want a whole new griddle, and I'm gonna get me one because that's bothering me, and I'm gonna give that to the Goodwill. It's bothering me. Okay, family, I'm going to get the almighty glove on. Get my griddle sprayed, nice and can't have any issues. All right, gonna go down. So let's get that party started. Go down. And because this is thick, you're gonna have to make sure your sides are nice and done as well. Okay, get this all nice and soaky. Lay it down nice and pretty. Get these all nice and down. I don't know if you all have a Kroger near you, but this is where I get this Texas toast from. I get it at Kroger. I never went any other store to go find it. But I just always get it at Kroger. I only have one more to go. Take that off. And we're going to let these cook, and then I'll flip and we'll be back. What I mean by cooking, letting your sides, turn your French toast over a little bit because you do have egg on. Because this is thick, you want to put your French toast. You don't have to do it a long time. You just want to put it on here and get a little sear on each side. Because you want to get that. Because if you don't, you'll have raw egg on the side. See how pretty that is? Isn't that pretty? The same goes with this one. If I can get it. Just think about a little bit about silicone. You don't have to worry about it melting. And make sure it's all cooked on both sides. Flip you over some. I'm going to mash this one down. Put that over there. And see if you have this situation going, it's been a indent. All you gotta do is press your bread down so it'll get in there. Maybe a little flat, but that's okay. That's okay. See what I mean? That's all you have to do is push it down so it get a little flat, because you want to make sure you don't want any raw egg. Push it down. And this is just something that I do definitely as a precaution, is to make sure that that egg is done. And this, I mean, it's not raw. I just want to see some brownness, that's all. That'll be for Mother. Okay, we are all done with this. Be right back. We're going to start on our sauce. Okay, we're going to make our praline sauce. We're going to use 1 cup of evaporated milk, undiluted. Okay, I'm not adding 1 can of water to this milk, undiluted. 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my butter pecan flavor. I have a teaspoon of Bacardi dark rum. And my pot. Okay, now I'm going to set all these to the side, and we are going to get started in a moment. Now you can add some cinnamon. Oh, one more thing. This is 1 cup of toasted pecans. These are chopped pecans. 1 cup of toasted pecan. You can toast them if you want to, or you can not. I toast all my pecans, or either I toast them in butter, but I don't have to toast them in butter. Oh, you need 1 stick of butter, okay? 1 stick of butter. One stick of butter. Okay, so I'm going to move this out the way. Your butter doesn't have to be room temperature and softened, because you're going to melt this down anyway. So I'm going to turn on the old heat. And that's why I use this thing, because it catches everything. And I'll clean all that up. Move this out the way. And turn that aggravating noise off. So I'll be right back once this butter gets melted down. I moved it to a big pan, because that's what. So I'm going to dump in my brown sugar. I'm going to dump in my white sugar, and I'm going to get all this incorporated. Get all this all melted together. Turn this around. And I'm going to add my milk. I have this on low to medium heat. Got this stirring it around. Because you want to make sure all that sugar gets incorporated and don't lump. And I'm going to turn this down to low heat. Now I'm going to add my butter pecan flavor. One, two, three. That's my three teaspoons equal a tablespoon. And I'm going to add my teaspoon of rum and let that cook on down in there. And that little bit of rum takes, it doesn't take no more than 5 minutes, and you'll cook out the alcohol, because that rum is only added to give it that, to me, I think it gives it, I want to say that, I guess Louisiana type flavor, because praline, whatever, however you pronounce it, praline. So we're going to just let this start boiling, with simmering. See, I got a little bit of, got some bubbles in, so now we're going to toss in our pecans. I'm going to throw them around in here. That's it. We don't have to boil anything else. And look at there. Now, here we are. We have our praline sauce for our waffle. So, we are going to get a waffle and plate some things up. Here we are, family. Our pecan praline French toast. I don't know why I keep saying waffle. French toast. Rumbles and Strumbles, guys. That's what it is every day. Rumbles and Strumbles. But I'm still having a great day. Here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And your French toast is nice and soft. And I'll show you how soft it is. Get a little silicone, because my knife drawer, I can't reach over there. See, look at that. Nice and soft. I had to kick that nut off. Yum, yum, yum. Just quick. Okay? So, thank you guys for hanging out with me and staying with me and watching my video. I really appreciate it. You just don't know how much I appreciate, like I said, YouTube is so therapeutic for me. I love my channel and I love you guys. I really do. So go have a great day. Be you. Be great being you. If you're at work, I hope you're having a great day at work, whatever you're doing or whatever you have planned today. I hope you have an awesome day. And if you have some stumbles today, hey, I hope that they're just little bitty stumbles, and if they're not, just always mind, body, spirit, okay? But that's not always possible. Let's keep it real, okay? I know how it is at work, okay? Sometimes you have major stumbles and you just want to, I need to go home. I need to go home, okay? I know how that works. But anyway, guys, tight hugs, kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Until the next upload, I will see you later.